Okay, hey. Today I want to show you how to get started using the faas CLI, the most bleeding edge faas CLI, like just the latest build off of the develop branch. Okay, so this is unpublished code, but this is what we've got going right now. So if you go to the faas project page and click on the Actions tab, you can see Develop here, and this is the CI on our development branch. And you can see all the latest builds, the most recent here about 3 hours ago. Click on that, and then you can download the binaries from that build. Now, keep in mind, builds break, so sometimes what you're getting, this is cutting edge. Okay, so let's go here to my directory. There's nothing in it, so I want to create a new faas project or function project. Run faas init. I'm going to create a Node.js project, and the trigger is HTTP. You can also make an events if you'd like, but HTTP is easy to demonstrate. So we're going to do that, and it prompts me for all the things I already told it that I wanted. And it creates a little project. I've got a bunch of files in here. So let's look at the index.js. This is the function file itself, and it's got some functions in it. Handle get just returns some JSON with a query if it was passed. And handle post does the same thing, but it's just handling an HTTP post request. And function invoke here is the function that we're exporting, and that's the function that will get invoked. So this doesn't really do much, it just logs some stuff and then returns those JSON bits. And you can see we're exporting the invoke function. Okay, and I can run npm install to install the dependencies, and so I can run this thing locally. That takes just a second. I can do first. Let's make sure it works. The tests work. So npm test, and yeah, and then what was it? Npm run local. Okay, and then I can go over here, and I've got localhost 8080, and so we can see that. I can put in hello world. Hello equals world. And you see we're echoing the query as JSON. Okay, and you can see logged all that stuff. So now, before I send this thing off to my cluster, I want to just run it as a container to make sure it's running the way I want to in the container. So I do faas build, and then I give it a repository name, and it prompts me again. Takes a minute to build a container. Maybe not a whole minute. Okay, where our container is built, and then I can run that container just like I would any other. And we see it start up, and I can then go to, I've mapped it, you can see I've mapped it here to localhost 8080, so I just reload this page, and we can see now it's being served off the container. Okay. All right, now I want to deploy it. So I do faas deploy, and I don't want to get prompted. Okay, and then I can do kn service list to see it. We can see the service is running. I can click on this, and there we go. Nice. And so that's the absolute bleeding edge. Give it a try, and let me know what you think, or if you have any problems, hit us up on the issues.